Hey there. Welcome to this 7-day health challenge, where we're going to make significant progress on both our physical fitness and establishing solid health habits. We only have 7 days, so we need to move fast and be efficient with our time. Today is day 1 of the Health and Exercise 7-Day Challenge. Every day we'll do a short workout and focus on one healthy habit. By the end of the 7 days, you will feel more energetic, healthier, and stronger than ever before. No excuses. Let's get started. Warm up for 2 minutes with jumping jacks. This will increase your heart rate and prepare your body for the workout. Once done, take a break of 1 minute. Next, let's move on to squats. Do 3 sets of 15 repetitions each. During the 1-minute break between each set, try to catch your breath and relax. You can also stretch your upper body to relax the muscles that aren't being used while doing the squats. Rest for 1 minute after all the sets are completed. Next, we'll work on our core strength with planks. Start with the standard plank position and hold it for 30 seconds. As you get better at planks, increase the duration of the hold slowly but steadily. It would be great if you could reach 1 minute by the end of the week, but even if you cannot, don't worry. Just give it your best shot. Take a break of 1 minute after completing 3 such rounds. Finally, we'll finish off with push-ups. To make things easier for beginners, you can do push-ups against the wall or the sofa. If that is too easy for you, then drop down to your knees and perform push-ups on them. And if that is still not enough, then get down on the floor and do push-ups on the floor. Aim for 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. You can reduce the number of reps if you want, but please try to maintain the number of sets to 3. After each set, take a break of 1 minute. When all the sets are finished, you've successfully completed today's workout. Congratulations. As we move on to the next exercises, keep pushing yourself to do more than last time. You may also choose to continue working out after day 7. There are numerous advantages to exercise, and working out consistently will only bring more benefits to your life. Don't forget to stay hydrated throughout the week. Apart from exercise, you must also try to establish healthy habits during this week. Today we'll focus on getting enough sleep. Ensure you get 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night. Going to bed early is important, but it's equally important to wake up early. Try waking up without an alarm. If you wake up with an alarm, it means you weren't well rested. Waking up without an alarm indicates that you're getting enough sleep. Apart from sleeping on time, you should also follow a proper CR routine. What is CR? It stands for choose and review. Choose which tasks are important and urgent. Review what is not important or urgent. Many people fail to complete their most important tasks because they get carried away with non-important activities. Prioritization is key. Learn to separate important tasks from unimportant tasks and complete the important ones first. Take a screenshot of your daily schedule on your phone. Use it as a reminder to stick to the plan. Achieving your goal is difficult without discipline. Hence, it's essential to write down and follow a plan. Keep track of your progress and stay motivated by taking a screenshot. If you want to build positive habits like waking up early or reading for 30 minutes every morning, it's important to remember 2 things. First, start small. Don't try to do too much too soon. Instead, begin with a small goal, like waking up 10 minutes earlier than usual, or reading for just 5 minutes a day. Second, be consistent. It's crucial to make your new habit a part of your daily routine. So set reminders on your phone or ask a friend to hold you accountable. Every day is a new opportunity to improve your habits and achieve your goals. You've got this. Don't forget to log your daily accomplishments. Day 2 of the Health and Exercise Challenge begins with a warm-up lasting 2 minutes. This can include jogging in place, high knees, and butt kicks. These exercises will raise your heartbeat and loosen up your muscles. Now let's move on to lunges. Do 3 sets of 12 repetitions on each leg. During the 1-minute break between each set, focus on breathing deeply and relaxing your body. Stretch your arm and shoulder muscles to relax them. Rest for 1 minute after all the sets are over. Next, we'll move on to side planks. Hold this position for 30 seconds on each side. Like planks, you should aim to increase the duration of your hold. If you can hold the plank for 1 minute, you should be able to hold the side plank for 45 seconds to 1 minute by the end of the week. Take a break of 1 minute after completing 3 such rounds on both sides. Finally, we'll finish with bicycle sit-ups. Perform 3 sets of 20 repetitions, 10 on each side. Ensure you engage your core muscles during the exercise. Rest for 1 minute after finishing all the sets. Along with these exercises, you should also strive to build the habit of eating healthy foods. Begin by replacing processed foods with unprocessed foods. For example, replace white rice with brown rice and white bread with whole grain bread. It's also helpful to read food labels and understand serving sizes, calories, and nutrient content. It's important to know that forming new habits requires effort. There will be times when you feel like giving up. However, it's crucial to remember why you started in the first place and to keep moving forward. Even if you slip up occasionally, don't be too hard on yourself. Just pick yourself up and keep going. Day 3 of the Health and Fitness 7-Day Challenge starts with a 2-minute warm-up. You can do high knees, but kicks and arm circles to get your blood flowing and muscles loose. Now, let's move on to the workout. Begin with squats. Do 3 sets of 20 repetitions. During the 1-minute break between sets, practice deep breathing and relax your upper body by stretching your arms and shoulders. Rest for 1 minute after finishing all the sets. Next, move on to the Superman exercise. Hold this position for 45 seconds, like the previous exercise. Try to increase the duration of your hold. If you can hold the plank for 1 minute, then you should be able to hold the Superman exercise for 1 minute 15 seconds by the end of the week. Take a break of 1 minute after completing 3 such rounds. Next, let's do incline push-ups. Do 3 sets of 10 repetitions. To make push-ups easier, you can do them against the wall, on your knees, or on the sofa. Rest for 1 minute after finishing all the sets. After the workout, focus on building the habit of drinking enough water. Most people don't drink enough water throughout the day, which can lead to dehydration. The amount of water you need to drink depends on various factors, such as your activity level and climate. However, a general rule of thumb is to drink 8 glasses of water a day. To stay hydrated, you can use a water tracking app or simply carry a water bottle with you wherever you go. Additionally, you can infuse your water with fruits or herbs for a refreshing taste. Remember, staying hydrated is essential for maintaining good health. Day 4 of the Health and Exercise Challenge begins with a 2-minute warm-up. Include exercises like high knees, butt kicks, and arm stretches. Now, let's move on to the workout. Start with lunges. Do 3 sets of 25 repetitions, 12 on each leg. During the break between sets, practice deep breathing and stretch your arm and shoulder muscles. Rest for 1 minute after all the sets are over. We'll work on side planks. Hold this position for 45 seconds on each side. Like the previous exercise, try to increase the duration of your hold. Take a break of 1 minute after completing 3 such rounds on both sides. Next, let's do crunches. Do 3 sets of 20 repetitions. Ensure you engage your core muscles during the exercise. Rest for 1 minute after completing all the sets. Finally, we'll finish with tricep dips. Do 3 sets of 15 repetitions. You can perform these dips on a chair or the edge of a sofa. Rest for 1 minute after completing all the sets. In addition to exercising regularly, it's also important to prioritize stress management. Stress can have negative effects on both physical and mental health. Engage in activities that help you relax and unwind, such as yoga, meditation, or spending time in nature. Day 5 of the Health and Exercise Challenge begins with a 2-minute warm-up. This includes exercises like high knees, butt kicks, and arm stretches. Now let's move on to the workout. Start with squats. Do 3 sets of 25 repetitions. During the 1-minute break between sets, practice deep breathing and stretch your upper body. Rest for 1 minute after all the sets are over. Next, we'll work on side planks. Hold this position for 1 minute on each side, like the previous exercise. Try to increase the duration of your hold. Take a break of 1 minute after completing 3 such rounds on both sides. Next, let's do bicycle sit-ups. Do 3 sets of 25 repetitions, 12 on each side. Rest for 1 minute after completing all the sets. Finally, we'll finish with tricep pull-ups. Do 3 sets of 12 repetitions. Rest for 1 minute after completing all the sets. Incorporate regular breaks into your day to maintain productivity and prevent burnout. Short breaks can help you clear your mind, recharge, and return to your work feeling refreshed. Set reminders on your phone or use a timer to take breaks every hour or 2. During your break, step away from your work and do something enjoyable, such as listening to music, taking a walk, or practicing deep breathing exercises. Taking regular breaks can help you maintain focus and prevent burnout, ultimately helping you achieve your long-term goals.